Are you interested in pursuing your contractor's license in Tennessee? Then you've come to the right place. Whether you are just getting started or just have questions along the way, our team is dedicated to getting applicants prepared for the NASCLO exam and guide them along the way on their state's contractor's license application. A contractor's license is required in Tennessee for any individual or business that bids on construction projects totaling $25,000 or more, including the cost of materials and labor. This requirement applies not only to prime contractors, but also to subcontractors and construction managers. Make sure you're properly licensed before starting any major project. The business entity, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC, must be properly registered with the Tennessee Secretary of State. It's important that the name on the contractor's license matches exactly with the name listed on the financial statement and all supporting documents. The entity itself will hold the license, while the individual who passes the required exams will serve as the qualifier for that license holder. To become a licensed contractor in Tennessee, applicants must pass two key exams: the trade exam specific to their classification and the Tennessee Business and Law exam. The trade exam ensures you have the technical knowledge required for the type of work you'll be performing, unless you qualify for a waiver through an approved reciprocity agreement with another state. For those pursuing a BCB commercial building license, the NASCLA accredited examination can be used in place of the state-specific trade exam. Passing both exams is a critical step towards securing your Tennessee contractor's license. When applying for a Tennessee contractor's license, your financial strength plays a key role in determining your monetary license limit, the maximum size project you're approved to handle. This is verified through a CPA-prepared financial statement. For license limits up to $3 million, you'll need to submit a reviewed financial statement from a licensed CPA. For limits over $3 million, an audited financial statement is required. Tennessee calculates your monetary limit as 10 times the lesser of your working capital or net worth. Working capital is defined as current assets minus current liabilities, while net worth is total assets minus total liabilities. For example, if your working capital is $70,000 and your net worth is $100,000, your license limit would be $700,000. If you're aiming for an unlimited BSB license, you'll need an audited financial statement and at least $300,000 in both working capital and net worth. This license allows you to take on commercial projects of any size. For license renewals under $3 million, a self-prepared financial statement is acceptable. However, for renewals or revisions exceeding $3 million, you'll need to submit a reviewed or audited financial statement, depending on your requested limit. To obtain a general contractor's license in Tennessee, you must provide a certificate of insurance showing proof of general liability coverage. The required coverage amount depends on your requested license limit. For projects up to $500,000, you need at least $100,000 in coverage. If your limit is between $500,001 and $1.5 million, the minimum coverage increases to $500,000. For limits above $1.5 million, you must carry at least $1 million in general liability insurance. In addition, if you have employees, you're required to carry workers' compensation insurance. However, business owners, such as partners or corporate officers, may qualify for an exemption by registering as a construction services provider. Your certificate of insurance must name the Tennessee Contractors Board as the certificate holder and must be submitted with your application or renewal. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful as you begin your journey to obtain a Tennessee General Contractor's License. Be sure to check out our website for more helpful information. A member from our team is happy to assist you in navigating your pursuit of a Tennessee Contractor's License.